As far as whole of nation approach will be there for the next war, it is not the military alone which will be fighting. Let me assure you very clearly in this issue. As far as the grey zone is concerned, it's ever present and this will remain. As for the multi-domain, cyber, cognitive and space, these are the new terms which are coming in, and these are the new terms we need to learn more from you. We can tell you what do we want and what do we need to counter, but how, when, why is something you need to give us the answer. Atmanirbharta. Atmanirbharta, it's a long-term thing. Presently, whatever technology is being imported from outside and being called as Atmanirbharta, definitely it has a hidden cost. We are ready to pay more cost if it's purely made in India, because then we know that we can change it, we can modify it, we can upgrade it. That is the biggest advantage. That is what we are looking at, in-house technology. And as far as collaborative and synergistic is concerned, that means intra and inter. Because today, for example, we do not know what is happening on the Pak Western Front. But this information, when we have the exchange of intelligence with our neighbors on the other side, we'll definitely get to know which are the troops which are moving in what places. So what I am saying that interconnections are also equally important, which we call collaborative. And these collaborative will also after some time will go to the satellites and so many other agencies which are there, which are meant for a commercial purposes, but can also be used for the defense purposes. And if a synergistic approach is concerned, within us, that is the tri-services, NTRO, and so many other agencies which are there. So finally, if I look at that, India is facing a 2.5 front, and if it is facing the land borders, then keeping in with the psyche of the people in India today, currency of victory will remain as land.